Now let's begin with the big story. The Congress Party's alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, the talks that are currently ongoing for Haryana, appears to have hit a roadblock. Sources in the Congress camp have told Times Now that the party feels that the Aam Aadmi Party's demands are unreasonable. It's learnt that following the alliance's dharma, the Congress Party was willing to compromise with a few more seats than what the Aam Aadmi Party asked. But the Aam Aadmi Party was adamant on seats where the Congress Party is in a very strong position. Sources say that the Congress has informed the Aam Aadmi Party if it doesn't want to accept the party's offer, then there will be no alliance. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party has also been maintaining that if alliance doesn't work out, then the party is prepared to contest on all 90 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party leader, Sandeep Pathak, even sent out a message to the Congress Party that anyone who underestimates the party will regret in the future.
आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से वॉलंटियर्स, कार्यकर्ता और लीडरशिप की तरफ से मैं एक चीज कह सकता हूं, हम पूरी तरीके से तैयार है, पार्टी के ऑर्डर का वेट कर रहे हैं। वर्ड गो मिलते ही हम सारा अनाउंस कर देंगे। हम हर सीट पर, हर जगह पर पूरी ताकत से चुनाव लड़ने के लिए तैयार है और जो भी हमें कमजोर आंकेगा वो भविष्य में स्वयं पछताएगा।
Talks are ongoing, so it is too early to comment on this. But आम आदमी पार्टी हरियाणा में लगातार काम कर रही है। आज भी सुनीता केजरीवाल जी की वहां पर जनसभा लगी हुई है। हम पूरी तरह से तैयार है सारी 90 सीट्स पर लड़ने को। हमारा ग्राउंड पर संगठन वहां कितना मजबूत है। सीट्स भी हम अनाउंसमेंट भी शायद 1-2 दिन में हो जाए। टॉक्स आर ऑनगोइंग एंड वी आर होपफुल कुछ निष्कर्ष निकलेगा।
Now, when asked about it, the Aam Aadmi Party claimed that they are prepared to contest on all the seats. The Congress refused to comment and said whatever decision is taken will be officially communicated.
The Aam Aadmi Party had yesterday said, as per the sources, that they are ready to contest on 50 seats because the alliance is not going in a positive direction.
Why should I comment on what Aam Aadmi said? We'll take our decision. Our decision will be, whenever it's taken, it will be made public.
Now, with both the parties playing hardball in seat negotiations, another round of meeting also took place between the leaders of both the parties last evening. Raghav Chadha and Deepak Babaria held talks to discuss the seat-sharing formula. But what has become the bone of contention are the specific seats being demanded by the Aam Aadmi Party, which according to Congress Party are their strongholds. But the Congress has expressed hope that the agreement would be reached soon.
बिल्कुल आशास्पद दिशा में जा रहा है, तो मैं आपसे कह सकता हूं।
सर, लास्ट टाइम आपने बोला था कि सिंगल डिजिट में आप हमें नंबर्स में उनको टिकट देंगे, तो किस तरह से बातें आगे बढ़ रही हैं? अलायंस पे कितना वक्त और लगेगा?
बढ़ रही है, आशास्पद संजोगों में बात चल रही है। दे आर ऑल्सो कीन, वी आर ऑल्सो कीन, तो जो है बात बन जाए।
उम्मीद है कि फाइनलाइज होगा। उम्मीद है, उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है।
Meanwhile, let's also tell you what's happening in the BJP camp. And all is not well. The party has been hit by a spate of resignations after leaders were denied ticket for the upcoming polls. The former State Minister Bachchan Singh Arya joined the list of party leaders who have now quit. He was hoping for a ticket, but was not given so in the first list.
जो लोग नाराज हैं उन्हें मनाने का प्रयास किया जाएगा। जी
बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं उनको।
सीएम साहब बराड़ा साहब
उनमें गुस्सा है,
बीजेपी उनको मना रही।
बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं। बराड़ा जी काम करेंगे और इसी क्षेत्र के अंदर लोगों के लिए वो वोट भी मांगने की अपील करेंगे। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक मुश्त होकर के तीसरी बार सरकार बना रही है।
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, for the BJP, it has been hit by a spate of resignations. For the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party, it is the hurdle of the seat-sharing talks.
Well, absolutely. See, in the BJP, if you talk about the BJP camp, there is a lot of tension going around because after the list has been announced by the Bharatiya Janata Party, we have seen that a series of resignation has taken place inside the party, which has kind of given an ammunition to the Congress Party and other opposition parties in the state of Haryana, stating that all is not well within the BJP camp. But if you talk about the Congress, the main focus is the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. See, Congress have offered a certain amount of seats to the Aam Aadmi Party, but currently the Aam Aadmi Party is insisting on certain seats which the Congress Party feel that they are strong, and the Congress Party has a strong hold over those respective seats. Now, on the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party have said that if the Congress Party continues with their present formula, then the seat sharing with the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party will be difficult. Now, if there is no seat sharing takes place between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, then the Congress most likely will give the seats to the Samajwadi Party or to the CPIM, which they are still in talks with. But for the Aam Aadmi Party, if the arrangement does not take place, then they are going to contest in 50 seats in the state of Haryana.
Okay, all right. So the threat of going solo still continues for the Congress Party as well as the Aam Aadmi Party as well. But Sabyasachi, what are the details of when it's expected? Yesterday as well, the top leaders of the party held discussions. Raghav Chadha going on to say that the hope is still alive, but we are less than a month away from the elections taking place.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, at this particular point, yesterday also we had seen that Deepak Bavaria had met Aam Aadmi Party leader Raghav Chadha. They both had a discussion regarding the seat sharing formula. Now Raghav Chadha says that there is still hope that there could be an alliance between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. An announcement would be most likely today or by tomorrow. There would be formal announcement by the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party. But at this particular point, the major roadblock that both the parties is facing is the Congress state leaders, who feel that Congress alone can win and come in majority in the state of Haryana, and the Aam Aadmi Party, who has been asking a double-digit seats as well as seats which the Congress local leaders feel that these seats can be is winnable by the Congress Party, and these seats should not go to the Aam Aadmi Party. So at this particular time, a lot of discussions going on between the Congress and the AAP, but clearly we have to wait for today or by tomorrow for the official list to come.
Okay, all right. Official word waited on that. Sabyasachi, stay with us. Let's also get our viewers' reaction coming in from the BJP. The BJP has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress alliance and has said that there is no mission or vision for the Congress-Aam Aadmi Party alliance. Listen in. Okay, all right. We'll play that reaction in just a moment. Remember, the BJP has been hitting out at the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that they have no vision and their only intention is to defeat the BJP. Also saying that the parties are also well aware that they cannot win elections.
अपने ambition और अपने confusion में चलते रहते हैं और मोदी से ऑब्सेशन है और अपना करप्शन बचाना है, इसीलिए कहीं पर गठबंधन कर देते हैं, फिर वो गठबंधन टूट जाता है। अब देखिए, पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस पार्टी एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं हम आपके हैं कौन। दिल्ली में अभी कुछ दिन पहले तक हम साथ साथ है था, और अब अकेले हम अकेले तुम हो चुका है। और अब हरियाणा में कभी हाँ कभी ना चल रहा है। पता नहीं ये फिल्म कितने दिन चलेगी, परंतु जब ये फिल्म की प्रोडक्शन चल भी रही है, उसी बीच कांग्रेस पार्टी उन्हीं के एक विधायक को अपने साथ ले भी लेती है, राजेंद्र पाल गौतम, जिसके इस्तीफे की मांग एक समय पर कांग्रेस करती थी, क्योंकि उनके मंदिरों के विषय में, हिंदुओं के विषय में बहुत आपत्तिजनक बयान है। तो ये अलायंस में कोई मिशन विशन नहीं है, ये केवल अपने एम्बिशन से ग्रसित है, और ये दिखाता है, इतना डेस्परेशन है कि अलायंस बना दो, हरियाणा में अलायंस बना दो। इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो पार्टियां एक दूसरे के अस्तित्व को खत्म करने के लिए बनी हुई है, जो पार्टियां एक दूसरे की जानी दुश्मन है, उनको भी हरियाणा में साथ आना पड़ रहा है। इसका मतलब अकेले लड़ने में उनको कोई भी श्योरिटी नहीं है कि हरियाणा की जनता उनको समर्थन देगी, इसलिए उनको